Okay, it starts out there level, and then here level, and then on the back level, and then on this side level. So it's not so easy getting level all around, but I was able to do it. I just took my time, and it's ready now for the crushed rock and then the concrete. So it's ready to go, and the front is in pretty good shape where it shouldn't show much of the crushed rock at the bottom when I take the form away. We'll see what it looks like. But it's an exciting project. Another one, we had fun on the French drain. Now we'll do this generator slab for the generator that's coming early July.